In this video, we'll guide you through installing and uninstalling your graphics card. For both your own safety and to protect your hardware from possible electrical damage, always remember to turn your PC off and unplug all cables before continuing. The graphics card is typically one of the largest components in your PC. It is installed directly into the motherboard and is usually positioned under your CPU. Although some systems may support either horizontal or vertical mounting, for the purpose of this video, we will be focusing on the most common horizontal mounting configuration. Before you can remove the graphics card, you must first unplug the power cables linking it to the power supply. These will be plugged either into the front or the side of the unit. It is imperative to confirm your PC is turned off and is unplugged before proceeding. To remove each cable, locate the release tab on the head of each plug. While pressing firmly on the tab, gently wiggle the connector loose and then pull it from the socket. Next, you will need to remove the screws that secure your graphics card to the PC. Once removed, be sure to store these safely for later. With the screws and all cables removed, you now need to release the locking tab that holds your graphics card in the motherboard slot. While supporting the GPU with your other hand, reducing the risk of any accidental damage, push firmly down on the tab until the card lifts from the socket. With it now unlocked, you can gently remove it from the motherboard. Before installing your graphics card, it is important to read your motherboard's instruction manual to identify the correct slot into which it should be installed. Once you have identified the correct slot, ensure the corresponding locking tab is in the unlocked position, which can be confirmed by pushing down on the tab. To insert your graphics card, you must align both the connector with the slot on the motherboard and the metal bracket on the chassis, which corresponds with that slot. Now, carefully push your card into the slot until you feel the locking tab click into place. Once seated, replace the screws that fix the graphics card to the chassis. With it now installed, it is time to reconnect the power cables to your card. Each power lead to your graphics card could be either a single 6-pin connector, a single 8-pin connector, a split 6+2 pin connector, or a 12-pin connector. To insert each connector, push the plug into the corresponding socket firmly until the locking tab on the connector head clicks into place. If you are installing a 6+2 pin cable, you must plug the 2-pin connector into the socket first, followed by the 6-pin to ensure a correct fit. When seated correctly, there should be no visible gap between the connector head and the socket body. If there is, remove the plug and reinsert it until it is flush and there is no gap. Now that your graphics card is installed, you can replace your side panels and reconnect any cables or devices. If completed correctly, your PC should now post successfully and boot into your operating system.